Everybody says that I'm going to show how to test our batteries the proper way. So these are two batteries that I've tested in another video that I did recently. So today I'm going to show you how to test these properly. I did a review of this battery analyzer. So the first step you do, first I'm going to start the multimeter, then sorry about that. So set it to 20 DC volts. Then to make a good connection, when you use this nut, sorry, it just fell off. If you want to do oops. We get it. I'm going to use one of these hose clamps to make a good connection. As you can see, it's 12.8 volts. I'm going to test this other battery. I put it backwards. Still not going to do anything bad. That's 2 volts. That's bad. This one over there is garbage. And it can't even hold the charge anymore. So, the multimeter said this battery was bad and this one was good. So, let me tell you another thing. This is only telling you the voltage, not the internal resistance. I've already done the battery test with the multimeter, and that will move on to number 2, which is using a load tester. We put the negative lead onto here, and the positive lead onto here. It's turned on. 12.76 volts. Battery test, enter. Let's go on gel. Let's go on here, let's do this. It's telling us we need to replace our battery. Status of health is 43%. That's not good. Status of charged 100%. This is pretty accurate. This battery tells me that it's bad. So let's remove the clamps and let's put it on the other battery. Let's put positive on here, positive to positive, negative to negative. Battery test. Locations outside vehicle. Let's go on AGM. Cranking it. Save for cranking amps. This battery is rated for 540 cold. Cranking amp. But the tool just shut. Every time I tested this battery, the tool just shut off. So, sounds like this battery is no longer working, and it needs to be replaced. So let's just throw away both of these batteries that are going in the trash because they're bad. I guess these tools have been both of these tools have been clever. Because these batteries, both of them are bad. So if you liked my video, click the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. And remember to ring the bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for